there is another formula, and then we are going to make A be the subject. That means A equal to something. At the same time, we don't accept any A in right hand side. So to do this, we find a bracket here. We would like to separate them to without A and with A terms. So I just simply focus in right hand side first. To remove this bracket, we have 6 something negative A something, which is 2. Both of them we have to times 2, so we have 12. At the same time, we have minus 2A. Afterward, we just continue left hand side. A and B, we can't combine them, so nothing we can do, we can just copy down. After that, we find out that the latest row here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms separated, and don't forget our target is A, so we have to group all A together, all non-A to another sign. So to do so, minus 2A here, both sides plus 2A will appear here afterward. So this is plus 2A. 12 stay here, and I don't want without A stay in left hand side, so I try to move it. That means both sides minus 6B. And then again, we handle part by part. We have the left hand side, we just focus here, A and 2A. We can combine them together, so it's become 3A. 12 and B, we can't combine them, so nothing we can do, we can just write down here. And finally, I want to divide both sides by 3 because I want A only, so over 3 left hand side and also whole right hand side over 3. Before you finish the question, you have to check whether you can simplify it. Realize that 12 and 6 are both divisible by 3, so we better separate them. 12 over 3 minus 6b over 3. 12 over 3, we can simplify it and then become 4. And 6 divided by 3 is become 2 times. So the answer is A equal to 4 minus 2b. In part B, they say that if B is increased by 3, then what will be the change to A? The key point is the command here. They say write. That means only one answer mark for this question. You just simply write down your answer and don't write any step here. In the draft, if the value of B increased by 3, so you may consider 2 specific cases. The first case, for simplicity, we may assume that when B equal to 0. And then that means the second case is if B is increased by 3, 0 increased by 3, we get 3 here. And then we want to know what is the corresponding value of A in each case so that we know the changes. If B is equal to 0, we substitute inside. Then we have A equal to 4 minus 2 times 0, which is 4. So in this case, A is 4. And then in another case, if B is equal to 3, so we may just write down A is equal to 4 minus 2 times of B. B here is 3, so I replace it by 3. 4 minus 6, we have negative 2. And then the changes. We want to know what happened to A. From 4 to negative 2, we say that A is decreased. But the key point is how many, so we can get the change of A. Change of A is always equal to the new A deduct the original A. So we have new A is negative 2 and then minus the original A 4. We get negative 6. That means from 4 to negative 2, what happened is A decreased by 6. And then we just need to write down our answer directly. The change of value of A is A decreased by 6. That's the answer for part B.